Welcome to another video. Bluetti sent me another one of their products, the Bluetti EB55 power station. And so today I'm excited to open up the box and see what's inside. Oh good, a box within a box. I always appreciate extra packaging when it comes to shipping units like this, just to help protect them a little bit better. Bluetti EB55, here's what it looks like. 537 watt hour battery size. This is a nice box. Can't forget the instruction manual and warranty card that I'm sure are in here. We've got the box for the cables, extra styrofoam, and the unit itself in plastic. Extra styrofoam in the bottom. All right, I'm gonna like this unit. I had the Bluetti EB70, but I can already notice, and this is a very similar unit, but it's an updated version. And with that, you get this huge light bar in the back, which I always love. Let's see. Oh, okay, so we've got low, high, and SOS. If we quickly look at what's in the box here, we've got a brick charger. Not my favorite for that. I like it when they include this section into the unit itself, and so all you have to do is just have a little cord to plug it in via the AC. That's okay, I can live with that. Because most of the time, I prefer charging these units via DC instead of the AC charger. It's a lot better. And then we have a car charger. Plug this into your car outlet, and then you can charge it via this cord. Oh, this is interesting. This is the first time I've seen Bluetti use what I believe is the XT60 connector. They've been using, yeah. So you've got that to go right there for the input, while the AC uses this one right there. Then we've got this cord, the regular wall plug that goes in your wall, and then this end that plugs into this box to power it. And then last but not least, thank goodness, we've got the solar charging cable for the solar panels. So we've got the XT60 end that will go right into the input, and then the positive and negative MC4 connectors that connect right into your solar panels. I'm always very appreciative when a power station company includes this as part of the package. And then a little strap here. So very cool. We can look at the instructions real quick. So this is the warranty card. Says, all off-grid power station and solar panel products purchased from authorized platforms come with a 2-year hassle-free warranty and a 1-year warranty for cables and other accessories. Nice. And so here's the user manual for the Bluetti EB55. Let's just go over some of the most important specs. So the power station comes with a 537 watt hour lithium iron phosphate battery chemistry, which is the preferable choice. They're much longer lasting and they perform very well. The overall unit weight of the unit is 16.5 pounds. The inverter is rated up to 700 watts and it is a pure sine wave inverter with a surge rating up to 1400 watts. The cigarette outlet port here is rated up to 10 amps of output. And this is interesting, both of the DC 5521 plugs, which I did a video on if you want to go check out more information about that. They are both rated up to 10 amps with a combined section of 10 amps. So if you had 4 amps from here and 5 amps from here, then you could have 1 amp coming out of the third one. As far as input rating here, it can handle up to 200 watts of input or 10 amps max. And for solar, it has a limit of, well, it has a range between 25 and 28 volts. So that means you cannot do series for solar panels, but you can do parallel for connecting multiple panels together. And there's an 8 amp max on the solar input, whereas it's the 10 amp max with the AC charging. Now this is interesting because you can actually dual charge the unit. So if you plugged in both the AC charging and the DC charging, you can get a maximum of 400 watt input at the same time. Just checking this out. This is a cool unit. You've got a dust cover for the input section. You've got a nice big screen that tells you how full the battery is using the bar system. So 4 out of 5 bars is roughly around 80% charged, though I prefer the battery percentage system. Looks like we are on eco mode right now. There's 1 USB-C port and 4 USB-A ports. It's kind of interesting. You also do have the wireless charging pad, as usual, on top, up to 15 watts. So if you don't have any cables, you can just set your phone down on top and start charging your phone. So that's the Bluetti EB55. Big thanks to Bluetti for sending me another one of their units. I'm excited to use it more this season and provide any updates that I come across as I use it. So if you have any questions or anything you would like to know about it, please leave a comment down below. Other than that, if you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. I know I would really appreciate it, so maybe just press the button, you know? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.